In this video, I'm going to unbox a brand new edible printer that I got from Icing Images. Hi guys, it's Karolyn. I'm back with another video, and if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. And if you want to see the different tips and tricks and the ways that I bake and decorate cakes, then hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you can get notified whenever I release a new video. So, my edible printer went kaput. Well, it didn't go kaput, it was part my fault, but I broke a piece of the plastic where you put the cartridges in and it wouldn't work anymore. And I had to order a new printer. So what I did, I went on Icing Images website and saw that they have a bunch of different packages that you can order when you want to get an edible printer system. So first of all, I want to say I'm not affiliated with Icing Images at all. I don't get any kickbacks or anything for talking about their products, but I believe in them. I use them all the time, so I just wanted to film this quick video in case it could help someone out there. So I went on, I'm trying not to say so, and I know I keep saying, oh, it's really hard for me not to say so. I don't know why that's my word, but anyway. I went on Icing Images website to look at the different printer systems that they had available, and I actually chose the one that was $199. It does come with the printer and paper and cartridges and stuff, so I want to unbox that and show you what is included in the package. And you know what's amazing? I actually ordered this 2 days ago, and it got here today. The shipping, actually I ordered it in the evening after they closed 2 days ago. They processed the order yesterday and it arrived today. That is amazing. And every time I order from Icing Images, I get the shipments so fast. They ship via FedEx usually. And I know with COVID and everything, things are crazy, but the shipping is amazingly fast. Now I'm in Philly and they're in Virginia, so that may have something to do with it, but just putting that out there to let you know. So let's unbox this and see what's going on inside. Yay. All right, so here is the box that I got. This is a Canon Pixma TS702 printer. It is taped with Icing Images packing tape. And there is a warning label on the top here that says you must set up your printer using iPrint. Be sure to follow the browser and printer setup or you will not be happy with your printer. And then it gives you where to go to the iPrint setup. So you have to watch a video. I'm going to do that. But just make sure that you follow these instructions so you can set your printer up properly. All right, opening the box. So we see in here is the packing slip. So here is a box of the printer cartridges that you're going to need. So you're going to get one of every one. So there's going to be a red, yellow, blue, black, and then a photo black in here. Here's a bottle of the print head cleaner. Here is the cord. This is the outlet cord, the power cord. Online setup, some instructions. All right, this is actually really, really nice. So here's the printer. Sheets of wafer paper. Here's Icing Images. We appreciate your business, and some where you can go to download the printer driver and any instructions that you need to install it. Yes! Edible paper, which I use this all the time, so it's nice to have 12 more sheets. Little note, always save these silver envelopes. Even when you're finished with the sheets, I save the envelopes. If you end up printing images early, you can always keep them sealed in this envelope and it'll keep really well. And here is the printer, edible printing system for food product only. And this is actually really nice. So here's where the cartridges will go. But this is the system. So I'm gonna have to remove all the tape and set it up. There it is. It's really nice. I can't wait to use it. So there you go. There is everything that is included in your edible printer system box. This was the cheapest one that they had at $199. There is one, I believe, for $249, and then one or two more options over that. I felt like I didn't need any of those extras that came along with those other printers, so I went with this one. Actually, my friend Tracy, who makes cakes in the area, she lives like 20 minutes from me, and my printer went, and I texted her and I asked her to print something for me because I needed pictures printed, and she has this system and recommended it to me. So thank you, Trace. So that was weird. Thank you, Trace. Anyway, I will leave Icing Images website below so you can check them out and see if you are in the market for an edible printer. You can check this out. And I do have some other videos where I show you how I use edible images on my cakes, and also how I refill the ink cartridges and how I clean the printer head. So I can link all those below as well. I'll probably film another video once I have this all set up to show you how this specific model works, and I'm super excited to use it. So I think that's it for now. If you have any questions, leave them below. I will answer them as soon as I can. I check my YouTube messages usually in the morning before I start to work. And please like this video if you liked it. It really helps out my channel. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and you want to see more videos like this. And you can follow me on social media. I am on Facebook and Instagram, and I have my website. I will link all of that below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!